In this lecture, we will learn how to skip the pipeline execution. So we have seen that whenever we make some changes to the repository, when we commit the changes, the pipeline will be triggered. So for example, if we enable here the test job by removing the dot. So now if we commit the changes, the pipeline will be triggered. So let's see the execution of the pipeline. So now we have two jobs. We have the build job and we have the test job. So the build job was completed successfully. And now the test job was also completed successfully. So whenever we make some changes to the repository, when we commit the changes, the pipeline will be triggered. But in some cases, we don't want to trigger the pipeline. So we want to commit the changes without triggering the pipeline. And we can do that by adding a skip CI or CI skip to the commit message. So for example, if we make some changes to the README file and we want to commit the changes without triggering the pipeline, we can add either CI skip or skip CI to the commit message to skip the pipeline. So for example, let's edit the README file. So here, instead of GitLab CI core concepts, we will change that by GitLab CI for beginners. And now we want to commit the changes. So click here on commit changes. And here is the commit message. If we commit the changes with this commit message, so the pipeline will be triggered, okay? If we want to skip the pipeline, we have to add either CI skip or skip CI to the commit message. So let's add, for example, a skip CI. And now let's commit the changes. So here we see this icon and it tells us that the pipeline was skipped, okay? And if we go here to pipelines, so we have here a skipped pipeline and it is created by the last commit. So whenever we want to skip the pipeline, so we want to commit the changes without triggering the pipeline, we can add either CI skip or skip CI to the commit message. So that's all for now. Thank you very much and see you next time.